that calcium and magnesium out of the water. Here's a quick explanation of how that works.
Hi, this is Eric with Fluid Dynamics, and this is just a short product explainer video about water softeners and how they work. Water softeners work on a principle called ion exchange. Now, likely if you found yourself here, you're interested in doing something about a hard water problem you're having, and this is just to help you understand a little bit about how water softeners work. Found this neat little diagram, and if we just follow the flow of water in here, you'll see water comes into the home on the main line and comes into the water softener tank. Now inside this tank are ion exchange resin beads. That's what this picture is over here, and this little detailed blow up here shows us what's exactly happening. So water that's hard or rich with minerals like calcium and magnesium comes into the tank. And as that water comes in and flows through this resin bed, there's an exchange or a swap that happens where sodium exchanges for the calcium and magnesium, and you're left with now soft water with just sodium ions. Now, over here, this brine tank, that's where you put the salt. So you've likely seen bags of salt pellets. This brine tank is kept full of that salt, and then the system recharges and backwashes itself depending upon how often it's set for how hard the water is and how much volume is being used in the home. This could happen once a week or several times a week, just depending upon the settings. But when that happens, it backwashes. It will send the water that's in the tank full of calcium and magnesium down the drain along with some brine. So this whole process will probably take maybe about 20 minutes, and it's going to use anywhere from, I'd say, 40 to 60 gallons of water, and there's going to be a significant amount of water going to drain that has some brine in the tank. When I say significant, it's not in just one backwash that is significant, but it adds up over time. Now, I also took a picture over here just to show some examples of different water softeners.
All right, enough sales pitch. All right. Now, he mentioned brine, okay? There is always going to be a little bit of sodium left in it. And it kind of gives, if you're used to drinking just plain old straight up filtered, water, and then you taste softened water, you can taste the difference, okay? And the softened water, because you don't have all those harsh, the stronger ions in there, you use less soap to get things clean, and you get less buildup on stuff. Although there are some effects, and people who are like from their doctors, directions are on low sodium diets, they need to be aware, that if they have softened water or they're in a place where there is softened water, okay, because there is enough in the water to contribute to people that have problem with sodium in their diet.